I'm somebody who spends a lot of time helping people look better on Zoom. And I am so excited about the new iOS 16 continuity camera that combines your iPhone with your computer running the latest macOS Ventura to create a webcam experience like you haven't seen before. It's wireless, it works magically, and it allows you to even show documents. So let's take a look at how this works in Zoom. I'm actually recording this intro using it right now. So no special lighting, no special mics, just the iPhone mounted on top of my laptop screen using this special mount from Belkin, which sells for about 30 bucks. It magnetically attaches the iPhone to the top of the screen and everything else works from there. So let's jump in and see how this looks on Zoom. Okay, so here we are in Zoom. I am actually doing a screen recording right now, still using my iPhone as my web camera. It looks a little bit different because I haven't applied all the effects yet. That's what I'm going to show you how to do. But just to show you how this is set up, down here in microphone, in the microphone settings, I've got LM iPhone microphone as my mic. I've got Mac Pro speakers set up, or whatever speakers you'd like to use. And then for video, it shows up right here, the LM iPhone camera. And it is looking really great right now. But we can make it look even better if we go up here to this control in the upper right-hand corner of your Mac screen, and we actually click on this. You can go to video effects. Right now, these video effects are off, but let's turn them on and see what they do. First, we can use portrait, which blurs the background a little bit, makes it look even better. And then we can go to studio light, which darkens the background and makes more emphasis on you as the speaker. Looks even better. Finally, we can do center stage, which Apple has used in a lot of other standalone products before, but this is the first time it's being used with this iPhone as a webcam idea. So no matter where I go, the camera is following me wherever I go. I can even stand up and it's still going to follow me from side over to side. This is pretty revolutionary. And remember, the iPhone on top of my computer is not actually moving. None of that is moving. This is all done with software, and so it might come back where things are a little bit crooked. You might have to do a little adjustment here. I think I got to put my head back over this way. That looks more or less aligned now back there. But there's one more thing that you've got to see, and that is desk view. The same iPhone on top of the same laptop without moving can act as an overhead camera and allow you to share what you're working on at your desk. This is pretty mind-blowing, and you can share this view on Zoom. So let's take a look at that. In the same controls up here, we're going to click on Desk View, and that's going to bring up this interface where we can actually adjust how we want the desk view to show. So I'm going to adjust that window so I get most of my notebook there. Then I'm going to start desk view. And you can see what's probably going to happen here really quickly. I'm going to go back to Zoom. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And one of the screens that I can share is desk view. So I'm going to just go ahead and share that. And so now imagine instead of sharing a PowerPoint presentation, you're actually sharing your notebook. And again, this is not a camera that's hovering over this notebook physically. This is the same iPhone and it's done with software. So all I want to do is draw like I normally would on this notebook. If I want to draw a step diagram or whatever I want to do, I can easily do that. And it is capturing all of that stuff and showing other people on Zoom, as I draw in real time. Or if you wanted to show any other item, you wanted to show, here's a hard drive. Here's how you connect a hard drive. It skews a little bit, but it is something that works really well this way. So I'm going to go ahead on Zoom and stop that share. So there you have it. That's a look at the new continuity camera, which is part of iOS 16 or greater, and the latest macOS Ventura, and how it works on Zoom. And just like it works on Zoom, it can work on other video applications Most popular video applications, you get those controls once you start those applications. Don't look for the controls before you start one of those applications, but once you do, the video effects controls are in there and you can use them. So have a lot of fun. I think this is going to make a lot more people look absolutely great on Zoom, and hope you enjoyed this video.